How to fix TikTok account not recommended. You're posting consistently on TikTok, but your videos are getting little to no views, and it feels like the algorithm has completely ignored your account. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a TikTok account that is not being recommended in 2026. Step 1. Check if your account is under review. Open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the three lines, go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Privacy. If your account has any restrictions or flags applied to it, you will see a notification there. A flagged or under review account will not be recommended to new audiences until the restriction is lifted. Step 2. Make sure your account is set to public. Go to Settings and Privacy, tap Privacy, then tap Private Account and make sure the toggle is completely off. A private account will never be recommended by TikTok's algorithm, no matter how good your content is, because the system simply cannot push private content to new viewers. Step 3. Review your recent content for any community guideline violations. Go to your profile and check if any of your recent videos have a label saying under review, limited views, or not recommended. TikTok suppresses entire accounts when multiple videos violate guidelines even slightly. Delete any flagged content and avoid reposting similar material. Step 4. Reset your device identifier. Go to Settings and Privacy, scroll down to tap About, then tap the option to reset advertising ID if available on your device. Some creators have found that refreshing this identifier helps TikTok's system reevaluate their account distribution after a recommendation drop. Step 5. Post consistently with strong hooks. TikTok's algorithm rewards accounts that keep viewers watching past the first 3 seconds. If your watch time and completion rate are low, the algorithm pulls back recommendations automatically. Focus your next 5 videos on opening with an immediate hook in the very first second to pull viewers in instantly. Step 6. Engage actively with your own niche. Go to TikTok, search your content category, and genuinely interact by liking, commenting, and watching videos from your niche fully. TikTok uses your activity patterns to understand what community your account belongs to and recommends your content to similar audiences when your activity signals are clear and consistent. Step 7. Check your posting frequency. Posting too many videos in a short time period can actually trigger TikTok's spam detection and reduce recommendations across your entire account. Aim for 1 to 3 quality posts per day, with genuine gaps between uploads rather than flooding your profile all at once. Pro tip: use TikTok's built-in analytics to identify which of your past videos received the highest watch time percentage and study exactly what made those perform better. Then replicate that same structure, length, and hook style in your next videos. Data from your own account is the most powerful tool you have for cracking TikTok's recommendation system. To recap, check for account restrictions, switch to public, remove flagged content, post with strong hooks, engage in your niche, manage your posting frequency, and study your analytics. Stay consistent, and the algorithm will come back around. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more TikTok growth tips, and drop a comment below telling me how many views your last video got. I reply to everyone, and I am here to help. See you in the next one.